Are you able to hear me perfectly? Yes or no? Let me just check. Internet is there or not? Internet is not there. Okay, no problem with that. That is not working. LAN. Okay, it is working. Working. Be silent. Be silent. Be silent. Be perfectly silent. It's working. It's working. Okay. Everything is working over here. Okay. Hi YouTube families. Hi students. How are you? Okay. Okay. Hey, be silent now. Do not make noise. HM, look over here. Now take out your question paper. Okay. We are going to solve it. Be silent. Hey, do not make noise. Okay. Okay, so today class is basically based upon current electricity, yes or no? So numericals, wait, take out your rough sheets. Answer key I have given or not? Okay, so answer key is your answer key is available on my table, got it or not? Okay, you can take it. So numericals on current electricity. Okay, before going through the solutions, a little bit of digression. I was q by t, yes or no? And it was also equal to dq by dt, yes or no? Okay, next thing. Second formula was what? R is equal to rho L by A. This was the formula or not? Huh? Okay. Third formula mu is equal to mobility was what? What was that? Drift velocity by electric field or not? Tell me yes or no? Drift velocity by electric field or not? Last formula, and that was including drift velocity, I was equal to NEA VD. Yes or no? Where A was what? Area of cross section. Got it or not? Okay, means little bit of digression I am doing. Okay. After that, resistance was equal to 1 by conductance G. Got it or not? Okay. Resistance is equal to 1 by conductance G, while resistivity is equal to 1 by conductivity sigma. Understood or not? Tell me. Conductance and conductivity are two important things. Conductance is this. Okay. And it is conductivity. After that, next formula is what? Last formula involving sigma. So electric field J equal to, can I write now electric field or electric current density J equal to I by A, but it was also equal to something into sigma E or what? J is equal to sigma E or what? Tell me. J is equal to sigma E, conductivity into electric field E, or I can write it as electric field by resistivity. So all of these only 7 formulas, or you can say 8 formulas based upon this, all the question paper was there. Okay. And different kinds of little bit of arrangement, but 90% of the problem was based upon these formulas, 8 formulas only. So I'm starting first question. Okay, go through it. What it is saying: a steady current flows in the metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section. What kind of cross section? Non-uniform cross section. The quantity constant along the length of the conductor. So can you give me an example of non-uniform cross section? Is this an example of non-uniform cross section or not? Yes or no? Tell me. What is happening? Area of the wire is increasing with respect to the length, but it is asking what remains. Means if I consider from here point P to point Q, this is my length of the conductor or not? Point P to Q. Along this particular length of the conductor, what remains constant? First thing, what is going to change? Drift velocity is dependent upon area. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. I is equal to NEA VD. That means what? Drift velocity is dependent upon area. So drift velocity is not correct. Right or not? drift velocity definitely depends upon area. Electric field also depends. What I write? J is equal to sigma into E. Yes or no? So that means what? J is I by A, and that is equal to sigma into electric field E. So E depends upon 1 by area also. Electric field also depends upon area. Hey, do not talk now. Do your work na, Chandro. So what remains constant? What remains constant? Current remains constant. Do you come over here with your chair? Come. Bring your chair over here. What happened? Sit. I, hey, if you change that, here it will be changed. Okay. So what remains constant? Hey, electric field remains variant. Drift velocity remains variant. What remains constant is your current. Got it or not? Okay. So current remains constant. Okay. Option D. Yes or no? Okay. Second question. The length of the conductor is half. The conductance will be. What was conductance? 1 by resistivity or not? Similar question. G was equal to 1 by resistance. Got it or not? Okay. Resistance is equal to rho L by A. So what will happen? This will be 1 by rho L into length A. So if you decrease the length by half, what is going to happen? Conductance will be doubled or not? Tell me yes or no? Or yes or no? So conductance G prime is equal to twice of G. It becomes double. Why? Because L prime is now L by 2. So G prime is nothing but 1 by rho L by 2 into area A. 2 goes up. So 2 A by rho L. This is what? G. So G prime is twice of G. Got it or not? Or yes or no? Yes, na? So option C is correct. Okay. Are you able to get me or not? Tell me. Okay, 1 point, just 1 point. Wait. Hmm. Can I move to next question? Okay, try next question. Try next question. What it is saying? A current of 3.2 ampere is flowing through a conductor. This equal to is nothing. The number of electrons flowing per second. Easy, no? Have you done it? Okay. Option D is correct. How? I is equal to Q by T. Yes or no? Now if some charges are going to move, like number of electrons is going to move. So N into charge of 1 electron divided by time, that is equal to current. So 3.2 is equal to number of electrons into charge of 1 electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Time is what? 1 second. If you put it, you get N is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 19 numbers of electrons. Yes or no? Tell me. Are you able to get me now? Option 8D is correct. Got it? Everyone? How many guys have done correct? Good. It's increasing. Can I move to next question? Question number 4. Solve this question. What happened, HM? The number of free electrons is, okay, this time number of free electrons are given. Drift velocity of electron in a conductor of area of cross section 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square for a current of 1.2 ampere. Easy. I is equal to NEA VT. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, number of free electrons are given. Drift velocity it is asking. Area of cross section is also mentioned. What is mentioned also? Current is also mentioned. Everything is given. Just you have to calculate the drift velocity, yes or no? So Vd will be what? I by NEA. Current is 1.2. Number of electrons or number here is how much? 5 into 10 to the power of 28 into electric, this E is how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, and area of cross section is how much? 10 to the power of minus 4 given. If you put it, you'll be able to definitely get the answer. Try to calculate it, everyone. How much you are getting? Option D. Wait. Okay. Hi sir, I'm a big fan of you. I'll kill you. Shreya is that? Answer. Okay. So wait. The answer of this question is question number 4 now. Option D. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Question number 4, option D. Good or not, huh? Yes or no? Can I move to next question? Question number 5. Solve it fast. Hey, do not talk. What happened? I'll kill you. You are not there. It is okay. Do not make noise, guys. This is going. Okay. Question number 5. Do the work now, please. Question number 5. The wire of resistance R is stretched by its length. Like its length is increased by how much percentage? 10%. The resistance of wire increased by. It is telling the resistance of the wire increases by. It's not told that how much percentage resistance has increased. It has told the resistance has increases by. So I have given one formula that if length is if stretching happens, what I have told, look over here. For stretching cases, if stretching happens, what remains constant? Volume remains constant or not? Tell me yes or no. Volume remains constant. Okay, so R is equal to rho L by A, correct? Yes or no? So rho length L divided into length L divided by area into length L. I can write like this or not? Tell me yes or no. So rho by V into L square I got. Now rho by V remains constant. That means what? That resistance is directly proportional to L square if you stretch the length. Yes or no? I can take the differentiation. Delta R by R can be written as twice of delta L by L. Now this is what delta R by R percentage is equal to twice of delta L by L percent. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now look over here. If I increase the length by 10%, if I increase the length by 10%, resistance increases by total 20% or not? Tell me. But one thing is that delta R by R is 20%. So if delta change in length is by 10%, so delta L by L is how much? 10% or not? Tell me yes or no. It is given now. How much is the length increased? It is given as 10%. So delta L by L is, you have been given delta L by L is your 10%. So delta R by R is going to be how much? 20%. Got it or not? Yes or no? But what is delta R? Delta R is nothing but total resistance, new resistance minus initial resistance divided by initial resistance or not. That is equal to 20%. Got it or not? Everyone tell me, Chandrasri, are you able to understand or not? Now, what I can do? I can write now R prime minus 1 is equal to 20%. So R prime is nothing but 21%. So new resistance, that particular new resistance which you are going to get is nothing but it is equal to 21%. Are you able to understand or not? Are yes or no? Initial resistances are, new resistance is 21 R. So 21 minus 1 R is how much? 20 R or not? So therefore total increase is how much? 20%. Understood or not? Yes or no? Silly mistake everyone will do now. Everyone will either write 20% or either they will write 10%. Got it or not? If also 10% would have been option na, so everyone will either write 20% or 10%, but answer is actually 21%. Got it or not? How many have done correct this problem? HMNT goda. Okay, good. Can I move ahead?